Hi everyone, hope you're all tickety-boo. Welcome to Wake Up Wednesday. Today I'm going to show you why the EOS R is best suited with the Ronin SC with a 35mm. I'm also going to show you how to balance it really quickly. So stay tuned, see you in a sec.
The original
Okay, in a second, like I said, I'm going to show you how to balance this one with the EOS R. But before I do, here's my first top tip. It's this one. It's called a notebook. When you've got your thing balanced, why don't you, like I do in the back page, make a note of all the measurements and so on and so forth. I know it may seem simple, or put them on your phone or something like that. All right? Anyway, bit of an interesting fact for you before we get into there. Do you know that coffee beans are not actually beans? They're seeds. I'll leave that one with you. Okay, so first tip, I think I've mentioned this in videos before, is actually to change your screw on the bottom. So you've got one of these with a little lever on. It makes it life a lot easier. And obviously when you're out and about, you won't need to have a screwdriver. Next is the setting of this one. There goes my watch as well. It's always doing that when it's in the middle of films. So next one, as you can see on there, hopefully, yeah. All right, I'll try and get that focused in on you. All right, that is on 1.1, all right? So this side of it is on 1.1. Like I said, I'll put all of the things down in the description below. Next piece is to make sure you've got this one sat on the front. It's the old lens adapter, and I'll show you why in a second. So take your camera, screw them in. We'll get the screw going, shall I say. And then what you want to do, the reason why, is set this up so it's just on the piece there that doesn't move. That's the edge of the lens itself. All right. And obviously when you're balancing, you need to make sure that you've got the lens cap off, which I'm sure you all know. Right, once that's on, loosen that one off and tighten that one up. And this all pays to getting it set up pretty quickly. All right, that's that done. And obviously if I want to talk this through, I'd be getting it done a lot quicker. So next stage is moving on to the gimbal itself. So let's get onto that one. So the next setting is down here, the one in the base plate. That's actually set at just over 1.5. Let's move on to the next one. Then you have the side one, okay, and that one's set at 2.9. And last but not least, the one with the old ratchet clicking bit on there, that one's set at 2.4. Like I said, all of the measurements will be down below. And the proof in the pudding is to show it working. Okay, so hopefully you found that useful. And as I said, all of the measurements and so on and so forth are down in the description down below. And if you're interested in this, why don't you hit that like button, because it will give me a bit of encouragement to do another one. And if you subscribe, you won't miss out on any future ones. Now, like I said while I was explaining it to you, there is going to be a competition in the next one. That's to give away a free slider. What I'm hoping to do is do a video on how to do the vertigo effect. I can never get those words out, can I? Do the vertigo effect, and then show you how to manipulate it within Premiere in post to get that really good, cool effect. It looks a bit like this. So if you're interested in doing that, hopefully you'll come along and watch the videos next week. And if you do hit that subscribe button, plus that little bell, ding ding, yeah, you'll end up being able to be notified of it, and you'll be in with one of the first chances to win one of the sliders that I'm going to give away. Anyway, that's it for today. Cheers and go on.